Create a pure digital connection between HDMI displays and HDMI source devices. Tripp Lite's high-speed HDMI gold cable transmits uncompressed digital video and multi-channel audio signals through a single cable to deliver a crystal-clear picture and full, rich sound. Use this 12-feet cable to connect HDMI-enabled display devices, DTVs, plasma displays, LCD TVs and projectors, to HDMI-enabled digital source devices, digital set-top boxes, DVD, DVD-R players, game consoles and AV receivers. When used with an Apple Digital AV adapter, the P568012 supports iPad 2 video mirroring. Perfect for home theater installations, the P568012 supports full 1080p resolution and ultra-high definition UHD resolutions up to 3840 by 2160, 4K. It has up to 10.2 gigabits per second of bandwidth capacity. Typical applications: connecting high-definition digital home theater components. Connecting an iPad 2 to an HD TV to display content on a larger screen requires Apple Digital AV adapter. Connecting a computer or a laptop to a HDMI display. Showing a digital slideshow in your company's office lobby. Top reviews from the United States. HDMI cable adapter. Works like it should, no issues at all.